Okay, test. Please make sure you put your name and date at the top. Number 1. A pilot takes a taxi from the airport to a hotel. The taxi driver charges $2.50 initial charge plus $2.65 per mile. Which equation can be used to find y? The total cost of the trip if x represents the number of miles of the trip. F is y equals 250x plus 2.65. G, y equals 2.65, open parentheses, x plus 2.50, close parentheses. H, y equals 2.65, x minus 2.50. J, y equals 2.65x plus 2.50. Please press stop and take time to work out your problem. Number 2. The graph represents the linear relationship between the number of books Layla has read and the number of months she has been a member of a book club. Please take a few seconds to look at the graph. Which of these statements is supported by the rate of change in this relationship? F. Layla read 2 books in the first 3 months she was a member of the book club. G. Layla read 3 books in the first 2 months she was a member of the book club. H. Layla read 3 books in the first 4 months she was a member of the book club. J. Layla read 4 books in the first 3 months she was a member of the book club. Please press pause and take your time to answer number 2. Number 3. If x is equal to 14, which equation is true? Which equation is true if x is equal to 14? Number 4. Which of these does not represent the distance of a car traveled when going 55 miles per hour? A. D equals 55t, where D represents the distance in miles and T represents the time in hours. B. Take a look at the graph. You have car travel, time, distance. C. In 3 hours, a car will travel a distance of 160 miles. D. Take a look at the graph. You have car travel, distance, and time. Please press pause to give yourself time to answer this question. Number 5. Cheddar cheese costs $4.25 per pound. Which equation best represents y? The total cost of x pounds of cheddar cheese. A. X is equal to 4.25 plus y. B. X is equal to 4.25y. C. Y is equal to 4.25 plus x. Or D. Y is equal to 4.25x. Please press pause to give yourself time to answer this question. Number 6. The table shows the relationship between y, the cost to rent a boat, and x, the amount of time the boat is rented. Take a look at your table. You have boat rental cost, time, and cost. Which graph best represents the relationship between x and y shown in the table? Take a look at your graph. Boat rentals for all 4 graphs, and the labels are cost and time. Please press pause to review the graphs to match the table. Number 7. An artist is making a scale model of a statue. On the model, 2 inches represents 1 foot on the actual statue. Which graph best represents this relationship? Again, on the model, 2 inches represents 1 foot on the actual statue. Which graph best represents this relationship? Take a look at your 4 graphs and choose your selection. Number 8. The table shows the distance y a cheetah can travel in feet in x seconds. Take a look at the table. Speed of a cheetah. You have time and distance. Based on the information in the table, which equation can be used to model the relationship between x and y? F. Y is equal to 5x. G. Y is equal to x plus 5. H. Y is equal to x plus 470. J. y equals 94x. Make your selection, press pause so you can review the table. Number 9, which equation best represents the relationship between x and y in the graph? Take a look at the graph. A, y equals 3x plus 3. B, y equals 3x minus 1. C, y equals 1/3 x plus 3. D, y equals 1/3 x minus 1. Review the graph, press pause. Number 10, Caroline's cell phone plan costs $32 per month. Which table shows the sum of the amounts that Caroline will pay for her cell phone plan over the next 4 months? Caroline's cell phone plan. Take a look at all 3 tables. You have month and total amount paid. Review each table and make your selection. Please make sure that your name is on the front of the test.